In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted events in Google Calendar, whether you need to restore a one-off meeting or multiple entries. If you've ever accidentally deleted an event or changed your mind about removing one, don't worry. Google Calendar provides a straightforward way to restore these events, and I'll guide you through each step in this process. First, let's navigate to your Google Calendar. Open up your favorite browser, head over to the Google Calendar website, and sign in with your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that contains the calendar where the deleted event was originally saved. Now that you're in, let's locate the settings. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all the customizable features that Google Calendar offers. Once it expands, you'll want to click on Settings. As you land in the Settings area, glance to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. It might appear as a list or a column of options. What you're searching for is labeled as Trash. In some cases, it might appear as Deleted Items or Events in Trash, but it's generally easy to spot. Click on it to enter the place where all your deleted events are stored momentarily. With the trash list open, you'll notice a list of events that have been previously deleted. Here, you can sift through and locate the specific event or events you wish to restore to your calendar. If you just need to bring back one specific event, what you'll do is look for the Restore icon next to the event. Sometimes it may appear as an Undo button, and click on it. This single click will bring that event right back into your scheduled plans. On the other hand, if you need to restore multiple events at once, this process is just as simple. Next to each event, you'll see a checkbox. Check the boxes for all the events you wish to recover. Once you have selected them, you will see a button labeled Restore All Selected, or something similar, usually appearing at the top of the list. Clicking this button will restore all the checked events in one fell swoop. Once your event or events are restored, they will reappear in your Google Calendar just as they were before deletion. However, it's worth noting that if you were the organizer of a restored event, your guests might need to RSVP again. This is a good moment to double-check that all the necessary participants are informed of the restored event. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate through Google Calendar settings to restore deleted events. Whether you're recovering from a mistaken click or simply adjusting your schedule, remembering these steps can be a real time saver down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.